Have you ever said or done something in anger only to regret it later? What if the true strength lies not in reacting, but in remaining calm? This ancient Buddhist story reveals the quiet power that can change your life forever. In the peaceful mountains of ancient China, nestled among whispering pines and flowing streams, there lived a revered Buddhist monk named Master Yao. He was known far and wide not just for his wisdom, but for something people couldn't quite explain, a calmness so deep that even the stormiest of tempers seemed to melt in his presence. One day, a young man named Wei, troubled by the world and angry at everyone around him, came to the monastery. He bowed before Master Yao and said, "Master, I have tried everything, but I lose my temper so easily. It's like a fire inside me that I can't control. I feel frustrated all the time, at people, at situations, even at myself. My anger ruins my relationships, my peace, and my life. I can't sleep well. I have lost my peace of mind, and I am tired of feeling this way. Please, I am seeking peace. Help me find it." Master Yao looked at him gently and said, "Very well, walk with me." They walked in silence until they reached a small village nearby. There they came across a market where a loud, arrogant merchant was shouting at his customers, hurling insults and mocking the poor. Wei clenched his fists. How can someone be so cruel? But Master Yao said nothing. They continued walking. Suddenly, the merchant spotted the monk and sneered, "Look at this bald beggar with his empty bowl, preaching peace while living off others. You monks are cowards hiding from real life." Wei turned red. "Master, say something. He insulted you." But Master Yao remained completely silent, his face calm as a still pond. Later that evening, back at the monastery, Wei couldn't contain himself. "Why didn't you say anything? He disrespected you." Master Yao smiled and asked, "If someone offers a gift but you don't accept it, who does the gift belong to?" Wei frowned. "To the one who offered it." The master replied, "Exactly. When someone throws anger, insults, or hatred at you and you do not accept it, it still belongs to them. You are free." Wei was stunned. The master continued, "Reacting is easy. Not reacting, that is the true power." The next day, Wei went alone into the same village. As fate would have it, he passed the same merchant. This time, the merchant glared at him and said, "So another bald fool from the mountains." Wei paused. His heart raced, but he remembered the master's words. He took a deep breath and walked on without a word. The merchant was left shouting into the wind. Over the weeks, Wei kept practicing silence, not out of fear, but from strength. He no longer argued with his father, didn't lash out at friends, and remained calm even when provoked. Soon people began to notice. The same ones who once avoided him now sought his advice. His peace was contagious. He returned to Master Yao and bowed deeply. "Master, I have realized something. By not reacting, I am not being passive. I am choosing peace over chaos." Master Yao placed a hand on Wei's shoulder and said, "You have learned the true art of power, not in controlling others, but in mastering yourself." Friends, here are key takeaways from this story. Not reacting is a choice, not a weakness. Remaining silent in the face of provocation shows emotional strength and maturity. You don't have to accept others' negativity. Just like an unaccepted gift, anger and insults remain with the one who offers them. Your peace is too valuable to trade for temporary emotion. One moment of reaction can destroy what years of peace had built. Choose calm. Silence speaks louder than anger. True power is seen in restraint, not in retaliation. Mastering yourself is the greatest victory. When you stop trying to control the world and start mastering your responses, you truly become powerful. So, friends, this story teaches us a profound lesson. The power of not reacting is not weakness, it is wisdom. When you stop reacting, you stop giving others the power to control your inner peace. And in that space of silence, you find true strength. Friends, if this story made you pause and reflect, imagine how powerful your life could be if you practiced the art of not reacting. Share this story with someone who needs a little more peace in their life. Like, share, and subscribe for more powerful lessons. Let's learn and grow together. Until next time, stay calm, stay kind, and keep growing with every story.